Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make ackee and saltfish Jamaican way. You know what I say?
We know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Gonna need half pound of saltfish cooked and soaked to remove a bit of that excess salt. Then we have over here ripe plantain, some green banana, vegetables for that ackee and saltfish, which are onions, tomatoes, and peppers. And the star of the show, 1 can of ackee, and we just rinse off the brine. We're gonna add to a hot pan 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. In this case, I'm using olive oil, but normally I'd use coconut oil. We know the thing of run out. 1 medium white onion in julienne strips, and we're just gonna saute those for 2 to 3 minutes until nice and translucent, and to just bring out the sweetness in them. We're gonna hit those onions now with half teaspoons of kosher salt, half teaspoon of black pepper. That will elevate the flavor from the get-go. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon of pureed garlic and just give that a mix. Add to your caramelized onions your bell peppers and tomatoes and allow those to cook right through for about 2 minutes. Once that 2 minutes has passed, we're going to add our saltfish. We're just going to toss this up and season with a slight amount of black pepper, which is about 1/4 teaspoon, just so we just give that flavor. So each time we add more ingredients to this, we're just going to be seasoning with a bit of black pepper. You know what I say? Because the saltfish already has its salt in it, and we already went ahead and seasoned those onions. You know how ackee and saltfish set. You have to have scotch bonnet pepper. However, we run out a lot of stuff this week, but here we are going now. So we use this green seasoning just so we can have the scotch bonnet out of it. If we had scotch bonnet pepper, we wouldn't be using this green seasoning. Instead, we'll just use scotch bonnet pepper to your spice tolerance. You want to push to the side majority of that seasoning, just so you can make room to add that ackee right in the center of your pan. Then we're going to hit that with another 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Nothing too much, as I said. We need to flavor this layer by layer. Many would describe ackee to be that of the texture of scrambled eggs, right? And they're so delicate, so what you want to do, get your spoon and just reach to the side of your pan and scoop all those hot vegetables and saltfish on top of your ackee, just so they can bring heat all around the ackee, and allow this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on medium-low heat. Once the ackee is heated thoroughly, then you should be golden. So there you have it, how to make ackee and saltfish the Jamaican way. A plate is here waiting for you, so what are you waiting for? Subscribe to the thing, follow the thing, like the thing, comment and share to your family, your friends and your loved one. Enough love for the love. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel and go and big up on yourself.
Let me see another dinner for later. But know you're fast, girl, you never tell me. Cause on any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.